Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. I am about to plant some garlic from last year that stayed in the ground and small, but I'm going to replant it anyway. So I'll let you guys see that. Let me turn you around. These are the garlic that I left in a little planter box last year and they split and it broke off. So when it got cold, they sprouted again. So they're not big cloves, so they're not gonna make big heads of garlic. But I'm gonna put them in the ground anyway and see what they do. This is where I plan to plant my garlic at anyways. So I'm just gonna put them in a row here and let them do that thing. So let me set y'all up. And I got this little thing. I'm just gonna make some little holes. I watered this soil yesterday, so it should be good. I'm about 6 inches apart. And this is a 2 feet bed, so it ain't gonna get but 4 in a row. And 6 inches this way as well. I repotted some, well not repotted, but pulled some up last year that did this, and they actually made some garlic heads. They weren't big, but it's garlic, you eat it, no matter what the size is. I got another one I saw over here. Oops. Knock y'all down. Let me go get the other one. What I went over there and got was not garlic, it was onions. So I'm gonna pull up these. These were full ones that I transplanted. But I'm just gonna move them over here and put all of them in the same spot. Hope they don't die since they're a little bigger. Hopefully they do. Oh well. Ain't nothing we can do about that. Got good roots though. So, oh, I do have some more. That's right there in that other pot. Be back. Let me go get them. Okay, I got a few more that I will throw in here. And I got garlic in the house ready for the ground, but this heat ain't ready for it yet. We still got a little bit too warm of the weather. It look like 2. I think it might just be 1. It got 2 things on it. I think it's gonna turn into 2. I don't know what you all put. Going over there somewhere. Alright. So I got 12 planted. Yep. And that is it. Alright. Got our water here. So we have 12 little small heads of garlic. It may grow big, I don't know, I doubt it. But these should make it through the frost. Hopefully. And I do have onions coming right here. I put them in from seed, some red onions for 4 rows, 2 of each kind. This one came up, the red Creole onion came up, but the red granite onion has not come up yet. I put my green bean clippings in here. I chopped them up, leave some nitrogen in the ground, and put some worm casting on them. So hopefully they might come up. If not, I'll spray some more seeds, because I don't want to buy no onions this year. I just want to plant them from seed. So here we are. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed that video of me transplanting some transplanting some garlic. Yeah, I saw somebody else do it on their channel and it worked. So I did it last year and it worked. Well, not last year, earlier this year. And it worked. Didn't make big heads, but they were big enough. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.